Aquarius, August 8 to 14. Salamat po sa pagsubaybay sa aking YouTube channel. Kung meron man, saan ka pa pupunta? Aquarius. So, shout out OFW. Shout out po. Like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, wow. Parang totoo. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, kung gusto nyo po. Wala namang sapilitan. Libre po naman. So, Aquarius, August 8 to 14. Tignan natin yung energy. OFW. Dito po ako, OFW sa Indonesia. Kung meron kayong interest na malaman. Aquarius. So, I've been an OFW for super tagal na. Matagal na po. More than 10, more than 15, hindi ko na bibilangin. So, alam niyo po yung edad. Sa mga nangangarap na magtrabaho OFW, yes, take charge. If you like to become an OFW, ipaglaban mo yan at darating na yan. Own it. Aquarius. Tignan natin ang energy, August 8 to 14, Aquarius. So, very heavy this past few weeks or days okay, hindi ko siya kukunin. Lumilito na naman siya. Everybody is on that miser mentality. You are looking at the past, yung regret, but you don't see that beautiful offer right in front of you. The answer is right in front of us. I think I have to say that that's the miser mentality. You can't have that, especially if you're working overseas. Okay. Hindi, I think kung bumagsak yung baraha, Aquarius. Lumitaw yung Four of Cups na yan to almost everybody. And also while I was shuffling kanina si Sagittarius, lumitaw din siya. Hindi ko nasabi yung message. Pero lovely yung yung kaninang kay Capricorn ba, Sagittarius. Okay, lumilito na naman siya. Kukunin ko na siya, Aquarius. Miser mentality. So, ano yung Aquarius? Yung iniisip mo na, okay, sana yung pa rin, pero, yeah, the answer is right in front of you. Relationship. You have a failed relationship, or you're looking to build that relationship. Sana ganun pa rin. That's the mindset of this type of energy. The partnership is getting cold. Money issue. I don't think it's a money issue. Are you that... Okay, minsan mahangin ka eh. It's the personality. The personality, some of your personality can be a double-edged sword yan, mga kapatid eh, mga friend. Okay? Is that wealth all of a sudden newfound comfort in life change somebody at nawala yung hit, nawala yung romance, nawala yung time? Okay, that's the miser mentality. Okay, that's everybody go through that type of stage. Tingnan natin kung ano ang buong istorya. Tama po ba ganyan? Yan yung stage. It can be at work as well. Yung tipong you're starting to lose that grip, ika nga, in your job. Tipong lahat na yata ng mali ko napapansin ni amo Okay, you know that sentiments. Because you let it happen. Oh, you let it happen. I can see here. You let it happen. Did you let it happen? Ayusin ko lang yung camera po. Pasensya na. Oops, gumalaw. Okay. You let it happen. lumilitaw siya. Nagkaroon ka ng choice dito. Was there a is there a second, third, fourth wheel here? Was there a second, third, fourth wheel here? Lack of communication, lack of transparency between what's going on between the two of you. There is a mismatch here. Okay, a lot of mismatch that happened. A lot of mismatch happened. I think I know the storyline here, Aquarius. Okay, hindi ka makakapag secret. Hinabi na nung card. Okay. Ano yung ginawa mo in the past na nakaka-turn off? Something happened here that causes this miser mentality. Either one of you or both of you having this, sana ganun pa rin yun. You can't bring back what was spilled. Natapon na yung milk eh. And it happened, something happened in the past that despite all your love and lahat ng enerhiya mo pinasok mo na doon, uto-uto ka na, nagsunod-sunuran ka na. That's how I can sense here. The strength here has a different meaning because of that devil here. There was a betrayal. Oops, sorry. Yes, it's not for everybody. It can be. It's not. Betrayal. Not really betrayal, but there's some. It's not so nice. There was a disconnect. There was a balancing here. It is a disconnect basically. The disconnect is behind all what is happening because did you go away? You own it or you didn't own it, or is it a family affair? A family affair that is in between. A family affair that is in between. A relationship. Tipong ito yung merong nanghihimasok. I'm not saying nanghihimasok, but that's how is the scenario. And you become like the sacrificial lamb. Again, I don't want to say that in a very bad light. Yes, because the energy here is just toxic. It's just painfully toxic. There was no, and you know this. You are not kids anymore. You are ito yung pang teenager na high school drama. This is beyond that. This is an adult type of relationship. You are all grounded actually. Ito yung tipong not a courtroom drama, but a relationship that is spanning in a family setting na you are all matured, level-headed people. Hindi ito yung nagsisintir. And there was this there was a betrayal or a mistrust, or it can be a miscommunication. A lot of people are involved here. Nakita ko lang. And you are one of them, Aquarius. So, ano yung role mo dito sa situation na to? I think you play a big part of this one, Aquarius. It's not even a money relationship. It's not a money matter, sorry. But financial can affect that emotional as well. But more on you want to settle things, okay? You're in the stage now, but you want to settle things, and you want it the same like it used to be, but you can't make it anymore that way. Kumbaga sa lutong sinigang, ang ginamit kumbaga sa sinabi, ang ingredients ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then ang binili ng cook is mangga. Ang gusto mo pala mangga, but ayaw mo yung synthetic na sachet. And then, okay, tiwala ka naman na yun ang niluto. And then, all of a sudden, naghanda na, nandiyan na yung mga kamag-anak. Nandiyan na yung kamag-anak sa party. At yung chef na nagluto, ang niluto ay synthetic ang inilagay. You want it mangga because you've been proud of that mangga flavor. Taniman mo ng mangga. And ang ginamit ay yung synthetic na galing sa abroad. And it's a game changer. I think this is what this Knight of Swords, somebody just spilled the bean at ikaw yun, Aquarius. Ikaw yata yung chef. You're the conductor of the whole orchestra. There's an this is an orchestration of event, and it affects the dynamics of the family. Kumbaga sa yung dynamics ng party from yay and then you're already everybody's already on the dining table, and then ito po yung ating main course today, sinigang, and then sinabi mo na ang ingredients po natin diyan ay sitaw, talong, etc. Patis, konti lang po. Wala akong nilagay na condiments dyan, mga artificial flavorings. At ang main ingredients ay yung sinigang mix. Biglang para kang binuhusan ng malamig na kape. Tama ba, Sagittarius? A lot of miscommunication. And you are part of that one. Nagkaroon ka ng, nagwisi-washi ka ba? Sinigang mix ang gagawin ko, o yung tanim, yung manggang hilaw? And you just screw up something. Oh, sorry. Okay? And sana ganun pa rin yung sinigang, sabi mo, sana. Kung hindi man ikaw ito, somebody else. I don't want to, that's how it is. It is what it is. And okay, this is the good thing about this tarot. Okay, I'm not gonna this is not even an advice or something. So whatever you have, yung sinigang na yun ay sinigang pa rin. That's what it is. Again, okay, I'm not, yes, I just want to make this lightly, because we are all in a different timeline, and also that's how life works, and that's how that is what the tarot card is saying. So the sinigang mix na natapo na doon, it's a past regret. The chef screw up the cooking, but you still have that sinigang to amend. And that sinigang is the one that you're wishing for. You cannot wish for the old one. It's already gone. Don't be stuck on that to become like a sacrificial lamb because of the sinigang. It doesn't cook very well. There was a cold. It was very cold. It was a very cold sinigang. And you're weighing your option. Kung magluluto ka pa ba ng sinigang o hindi na. O aalisin mo na sa menu mo. Because that what I can see here is, pwede ko naman kumain ng iba na lang imbitahan ko para maging masaya dun sa sinigang ko. I don't want to become an issue. Sinigang is still the sinigang, and not everybody have that taste of, parang sa restaurant yan, magbibigay ng 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. Not everybody like your sinigang, but there are people who will appreciate your sinigang. Yes, so I think that's the storyline here. Because of this energy, the devil here, Aquarius. So Aquarius, so yeah, maganda na it's a colorful one. It's very it's a normal kind of thing. There's nothing to be ashamed of, Aquarius. So yeah, Aquarius. Okay, so hope you have a good week. And see you again. So August 18 to 14 yung reading natin, Aquarius. Happy weekend!